Hello, chat. Good morning, good morning. Sorry about the lawnmower dude. It's just a neighbor. How are we today? Yo, brother Kev, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yo, much appreciated, Kim. Well, welcome everyone to the stream. I think Uncle will be finished very soon. I do apologize. Let's try and put on some music. How is everyone finding? Sorry about the morning lawnmower action. Who's all how big is this flipping lawn? I don't know, but he had to go over the same spot 3 times. I think he needs to play Lawnmower Simulator, which actually doesn't look like a bad game. Can you do some ASMR? Well, how old are you? 3? I don't get into that shit, bro. It's weird. I don't know, go out the paddock and go look for a horse and put peanut butter on your ear. Yeah, I seen KO was out today, my bro. How is he? Has anyone played KO yet? It's back. Yo, Brother Nick and also Mr. Killjoy, thank you very much, guys, for the subs. Sweeney TV sent me here. Oh, true. Yeah, I had a talk with Sweeney TV a few days ago. He's a really good dude. I'm actually glad I got to talk with Sweeney. Hey, cheer, bro. Cheer, Chaos. How you, my bro? Hi, Broxh. Do you miss the president? President? Who, Trump? If so, it's not my president. Do you mean, Our Prime Minister? Oh, damn. Yo, M plays Rust. Thank you very much for the 5 gifted subs, man. They went to Empty Good, Hansursa Ferda, DM, NC6, and KM Cat. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you, man. Man, we're just drinking coffee and listening to lawnmowers at the moment. Morning, JT. Morena. Just chilling out. No job at the moment. Oh, Chur! No one watch dogs anymore. Mind you, when I was driving past Ibis, I was checking to see if you were there. Cheers, brother. M plays Rust. Much appreciated, my bro. Hopefully he goes to cut that side of their house. What kind of coffee and lawnmower? From what I saw, well, it's a grey one. Yeah, it's a grey one, and I'm drinking coffee with cream. Thank you, Side Binley, for the biddies, brother. Well, yeah, morning everybody. Thank you, Binley, for the bits. Much appreciated, brother. Morning, everyone. I think our bro is gone on that side. I hope everyone's well. It's still cold here. And apologies I couldn't get back on stream yesterday. I ended up becoming really busy off stream. But I gotta get a stream in today. And then I've got to take Mrs. Broxh to go and see her grandmother. Hey, what's up, Tucky? Hey, Omi. Chur Reaver. Scumble. Good morning, Benji. Chur, brother. After my mum went well. Bro, I thought she was moving. It wasn't even a garage sale either. I was like, bro, I couldn't keep streaming. Pretty much Tucky just behind me, the neighbours. Keep Ryan. Good morning from New York. Hey, morning, Sammy. Sure, brother. But I've actually been watching Lawnmower Simulator gameplay, eh? Early bird gets the worm. I think our man's been a bit too much this morning. I'm almost done. But how was everyone? Oh man, I thought I better wear pants today, just so I don't get sick. You watch anime? Yep, my favourite is One Piece. My Hero is all good as well. I like where it's going in the manga at the moment with Deku. It's good to see another side of it. Just finished Tokyo Revengers. Oh, I never heard of that one, brother. Mind you, I hardly ever watch any other anime. I'm stick to one Andy. Like, I want to carry on with Jiu-Jitsu though. Or I swear he's been made the same patch 5 times. Morning, Pindus. What does being an egg? So being an absolute tit in the chatty, a troll or wanker. Yeah, you know, just don't be an egg. That's how we say it here. Yeah. Favorite single player? I'm gonna say console. Probably God of War. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen all of Demon Slayer. I haven't seen the movie yet though, which is quite sad. Yeah, I wish I had gone to watch the movie in time, but I missed out. So like the week I went to go to the movies to see if it was there, and it just rotated out. Oh, I did say in the Discord he was probably murdering the lawn. Yeah, friendly neighbours. Yeah, yeah. Other than the one on that side, so it's my auntie who lives next to us because we're in a unit. And then the next one over, it's this racist nanny. Everyone on the street knows her because she's racist. Yeah. Like she was harping off at some a young Asian couple that lived across the road. Just because they didn't indicate to turn into their driveway. I mean, who does that these days? And then I seen her, you indicated my country. And so I went down and, hey, be nice. No one likes a racist. Why are people still racist? Ah. They like to be heard, I guess. And yeah, she's a boomer, so it's no surprise there. Like me and my daughter, we were playing in the leaves one morning, just on the other side of the street. She goes, why are you playing in the leaves? And my daughter, who's the eldest, she goes, ew. And I went, oh. Sorry, not sorry. Hey, cheer, brother D. Yeah, my bro, everyone's mowing their lawns in the mornings, eh? Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's racists everywhere, but oh well. We're not as weird as her. I mean, she washes her car on a rainy day. I don't know if it's a racist thing or she just likes washing her car on a rainy day. Kia ora, Piopa. Cheer, Bishop. Cheer, misunderstood. So yesterday we got some cutting done. And then we applied our centre line. We're still catching up for a little bit. So then we'll get started. So who's playing KO today? Thank you, brother D. Yeah, I'm going all good. Got some plans actually. I don't want to say too much because I don't want to give away what I'm up to this year or what I want to do anyway. Yeah. Hey, what's up, fried noodle? Cheer, brother. Today was going to be my cheat day, but because I forgot some of the ingredients for the caramel cheesecake, it's going to be tomorrow. And Mrs. Broxh said it's going to be my celebration cake for hitting 1 year as a partner, a Twitch partner. I was like, oh, okay. I was just going to eat it anyway, but thank you. Tempted to buy him, but I don't know if I should. Oh, do you have to buy him, or can you just do the normal play games to unlock his contract? Thank you very much, Whanu. What are your plans after Twitch? Probably carry on carving, eh? The day I leave Twitch, I'm not trying to see when that day is, or when that day eventually comes. I'll probably just keep carving. It's when I'm an old man, if I get that far. Yeah. I honestly don't think that far ahead. I'm all about the now. You can grind for him, but it takes like 30 hours in game. Oh, true. Damn, that's a lot. Oh, mind you. Any good skins in the shop today? Since tomorrow's my birthday. Oh, nice, JT. I've got to get these photos printed out too. And then I'll go to the shop, to the bro shop, and do the eyes. And yeah. Ever thought about passing the art down? Yeah, Bishop, that's what I've been doing. That was one of the reasons why I joined Twitch. Because a lot of young Maori children, or kids, watch Twitch, eh? Back when the Among Us boom and the Fortnite boom happened. And that's another reason, well, one of my whys why I joined Twitch, to try and catch the younger generation of Maori children, or kids, the leaders of tomorrow, that maybe this is something they might want to pursue. It has been working, so I've had a lot of high school students and kids that have carving at their school hitting me up through my email, and yeah, that's the main thing I've been doing. Like even carvers who are adults and also much older than me, I feel weird giving them advice, but because they're older than me, just asking how they can improve. I just told them, bro, I'm no master carver, but this is what I do. Just, you know, passing on the knowledge that our ancestors have passed on to the next generation. Just like handing the all for one to the one for all to whatever. Yeah. On top of kids here, like, have approached me and saying, oh, I've started carving because of you, and learning my whakapapa, which is the genealogy on the Maori side, which makes it all worth it. All worth it. Yeah. And one of the reasons why I started on Twitch too was for me. I wanted to share what I was doing. We were all stuck inside and watching our wars and lockdowns and whatnot, and clocking games and not being able to get new ones. Yeah. I was taught how to do Mayan Oh, true, brother. Yeah, it gets a little harder these days, obviously, with technology and whatnot. Kids aren't interested in the old world as much as they used to be, like, and that's something I'm trying to change, or I want to try and change on my own too. I mean, but that's every carver's job, is to pass down the knowledge that we have been given to the next generation. We're like the vessel that nurtures all this knowledge, this mātauranga is what we call it, and add our own techniques that we've learnt and passing it on. Yeah. And I'm on Twitch too, just so I can play World of Warcraft and get good tips. And hopefully a Zolian tiger and a spectral tiger out of it. Okay. Here we go. Oh, and playing Valorant. Brett Daniel, yeah, brother. Totally agree with you, bro. Like, out of the majority of the youth in my country, brother, Maori and or Polynesian in general, some of the most troubled. But for some of the younger generation, it's become quite a beneficial thing, learning about our ancestors and their ancestors as well. Hey Nichols, thank you very much for the 3 months, my brother. Utilising the gifts I see. Thank you very much, my man. Thank you, Super Typhoon, for the love, my brother. And you too, Jonah Max. All good, Biopa. Have a good day, my bro. Stay safe at work too, and don't get caught watching Twitch at work. Cheer, my bro. Have a good day. Alright, here we go. What? Okay, yep, there wasn't too much. So it's always good to have a bit of wood. nothing wrong with that. Hey, thank you very much for the 3 months too, my bro. Congratulations on the 1 year, my brother. Thank you very much, man. And brother Tommy, thank you very much for the bit too, my bro. Currently watching Twitch at work. Okay, don't get caught. Please. If you do and you get in trouble, I'll be like, who are you? Are you left-handed? Yeah, brother. My ancestor was a left-handed as well, so yeah, I own it. Pretty much, my man. Here we go. Alright. Well, now that we have it all based up, what we're going to do now, we're going to release. There you go. Anaconda squeeze. Oh, thank you, Sandwich Guardian. Now, what Guardian? What sandwich do you guard first, my brother? I hope it's a good one. Thank you very much, my brother. You based in Rotorua? Yeah, brother. Been here since '09. Flugel, thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Thank you, my bro. Anaconda squeeze. Ramses, he's not dancing. He does not dance at the party. Ramses #1, he sets all on fire. Here we go. Oh, cheer. Thank you, Astro. Oh, I was watching a lot of Sea of Thieves last night, eh? Man, that looks fun. Right. Let me just... So what we're going to do now is cut the face off. Pretty much fun, eh? Just to say the least, we're gonna cut the face off. Hey-oh! Thank you very much for the sub once again, man. Thank you very much, brother. How's it going, my dude? Hey, what's up, brother? See Hagrid. Jesus, I hope I said that right. I watched Nacho like a week ago. Forgot how much of a masterpiece it is. Bloody hell. Hello, Kobe. How are you, Aid? Oh, I'm all good, brother. How are you, though? Yo, what's up, Cyberly? Big love, Fanta. Sleep time for us in the UK. Oh, have a good sleep, my brother. And also Kyle, cheer, brother. Yeah, I'm doing good today, my bro. All good, you know me. Being GOOD cool? Nah. How are you, brother? Cheers, Shark Point. Appendix, thank you very much for the 5 months. Sorry I've been MIA. Hope you've been doing well, brother. You don't need to apologise for being MIA, my man. You have your own life, and it's totally fine. It is all good, my brother. Thank you very much, though. Hope you're well, though, brother. The time here is at almost 11:30, so I'm really late. Loopy Fruit, happy bitfest, Broxh. Oh, thanks for the bits, man. Yeah, I'm in the bitfest thing, but yeah, just don't feel obliged like you have to drop some biddies. It's just there if you want to. I know there's some that are trying to smash the goal, but I'm just trying to smash this work. There we go. So yeah, chat, we're cutting all of that off now after drawing it all on. Favourite One Piece character of mine is either Sanji or Odin. Good choices. Mine is probably Gold Roger. Gold Roger, Whitebeard, Kaido, and who else? Yeah, that's about it. That's my top 3. I've seen that theory about Shanks, eh? Got me a bit shook. One of the bros told me about it last night and I was like, oh, that'll be badass if that actually happened. I'm up to date, little box boy. Is Avatar an anime? Oh, this argument's back again? Did I manage to finish the decking yesterday? Client ran out of materials and started kicking off about reordering wood brackets and bolts for it. 3 temp... True Stuart. Hey! Is this flat already? Oh, don't tell me. Okay. Oh well. I'll just Oh! I was just going to take this to be charged. And then I'll be back. And then we'll talk about that theory about Shanks. It's a pretty buzzy theory. If it's real, then bro, that's cool. You are the man, Oda. One moment. Okay, I am back. Thank you, Meat Butt. Meat Butt. Thank you very much for the bits, my bro. Yeah, I'm all up to date on One Piece. So, the bro told me, listen to this theory about how Shanks is, because you know how he had that meeting with Whitebeard, eh? And he told him that, you're being a little brat with your haki. So what he listened to was that Shank, how you can mix your hakis as well. He's using observation haki to trick everyone to seeing how he wants to see the world. Because he's like ridiculously strong. He's supposed to be like super OP, and then how is it that he got kicked in the ass by a Sea King by getting his arm bitten off? There's like sweets that say that's when he started using the observation haki to make the world see how he wants to see it. I was like, if that's true, that's pretty badass, eh? Just to say the theory in short. I'll try and find the message. I have not watched Hunter x Hunter. Congrats on Panda anniversary. Thank you, Omi Omi. Did the yard sale pub crawl go? Oh, Chur said no, it wasn't actually a yard sale. She just wanted me to have a look at something, and I was like, bro, I could have kept streaming. Why you do this? I'll try and find the bros thing again. It was pretty buzzy though. I was buzzing right out. So he combined his haki with other things. He combined his observers to make everyone see how the world wants to see it. That's why when he went on to Whitebeard's ship, Whitebeard talked about how he's using his haki like a brat. So he just said that. And that Shanks didn't lose his arm, but he's making everyone see it like he did. Bro, if this thing about him is true, hats off to Oda, man. Because he's supposed to have like the strongest observation haki. And yeah, man gets wrecked by a sea king. But never know, he could be just playing the whole thing. Clips of the Suns. Oh, I haven't even been keeping up with it. I hear the Suns have been doing really well. But the Clippers, don't they have like Kawhi? One Piece is so long. Oh, it's good, eh? I actually really enjoy it. Flugel, thank you for gifting a sub to Jonah Max. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I haven't really been keeping up with any of the basketball, eh? I think the only thing I saw basketball related was that fight between a Suns fan and someone else in the crowd. Do you think football's coming home? I don't understand that question. Like, where? Where's home? I would say. Cut the face off. I was living in Japan at the moment too, beginning with Jiu-Jitsu and Demon Slayer. Yeah, they're both popping off, eh? Favorite character in Jiu-Jitsu would have to be their panda. He's funny. And the demon and the main character, he seems pretty cool too. I don't watch it enough, so I forget the names. I just like that panda because he outplayed the wood guy, and then straight gave him the phantom gorilla smack. I don't know, I don't really watch football, I only watch rugby and competitive Valorant. I wouldn't have a clue. Oh, and Origin. Yeah, I wouldn't have a clue, eh? Oh, all good tentacles. That's why I do it, brother. Transformers Revenge of the Fallen cinematic masterpiece. What's that, my bro? I know the movie, but where? Who's gonna win the series Lions or the Box? Oh, I don't know. The All Blacks? No. I haven't really been watching anyone else other than NZ Rugby at the moment. Because the squad just got named. Sam Whitelock is the captain. I don't know, Bob. I don't know. I might if they hit me up, probably. If not, then all good. Just keep doing my own thing. Because I'll eventually have to put a pause on games and whatnot on weekends. Once haka practice starts up again. There we go. There we go. And Stylebender, Bobby Knuckles is all shit. Oh, John Whitaker, he's all shit. Not a fan of him, eh? As you could tell. I did Kapaka through high school. It was really cool. I was living in Japan during the Rugby World Cup. Oh, true, bro. Oh, that's mean. Weesh. How was it over there anyway? Are you still there, my bro? See, the Olympics is coming up very soon, eh? Nice, brother. Much love there, Yank Dan Phrased. Massive, massive crowd spirit. Yeah, man, they go off, eh? They go off over there, which is mean to see. Have you been to any other events over there, brother? Oh, going against the green. I think me speakers on the way out. Starting to charge slower and slower. Might be time to get a new one. Possibly. We'll see how long it lasts for. We went to a big comic market. Oh, comic market. True, bro. Bro, is there like a... Oh no, I just seen it on TikTok last night. There's like a one-piece cafe there. That was pretty cool. What's your favourite type of wood to work with? Free timber, my brother. Straight up. There's Final Fantasy and Gundam cafes. True, bro. Are you like Because I see it on TikTok as well all the time. There's like a big Gundam suit there that changes now and again. Are you anywhere near that? Bro, that's cool. Probably impressive to see, eh? So we just start cutting down the timber, extra timber on the face, getting it as close to the line as possible. Oh, seems like everyone wants to mow their lawns today. Do you have the kit for drawing that helps you? Yeah, drawing does help 2 points. Like our ancestors, yeah, they didn't. Oh, they drew as well, but they didn't have like pencils and whatnot. Skeleton key, Joe Mama. Is that what you're trying to pull off there? No change today. Oh, speaker went flat, so it's charging. Hello, L Diamond. Must be International Mail Lawn Day. Yeah, bro. Oh, someone got trying to post links. Is that the joke you're going for, mommy? Joe Mama? Damn, that's 90s AF, that joke. Alright, I'm just here to drop a Twitch sub, then over the god of spam. Hey, you all good though? Appreciate that though, brother. But as long as you're alright though, that's the main thing. How did they use charcoal, my bro? Charcoal, yeah, pretty much. Then, yeah, obviously the pencils came into play, and pretty much, wham bam, thank you, Mr. Cook. I played Fortnite last night for the first time in the new season. Jeez, it's really out of it now, eh? Guns that shoot through walls and sensory grenades. Hello, DJ Freedom. Also, Bacious, thank you very much for the 4 months, my bro. Hey there, bro. How's your day been? Good, brother. Very good. Bit of an early start this morning, but hey, I'm feeling good, that's all. Hope you're good too, brother. Thank you for answering my dude. It's nice to think that your drawing helps you. Yeah, it's just good to have guidelines, eh? But I know some carvers that, pretty much, they don't need a pencil anymore. Like my grandfather, for instance, he, doesn't use pencils much anymore. He just, knows what he wants to carve and boom! Done in a day, that guy. I was like, phew, beat you in Crash Bandicoot though. Holy cow! Yo, fix! With the 5,000 bits! Holy crap, brother! Thank you, thank you very much, man. Hey, you all good? Holy crap, brother! Thank you. I don't know what I did, brother. Yo, much appreciated, bro. I couldn't imagine not needing a pencil. Yeah, they've just been doing it for so long, eh? They know what they want to do. They already know, like they got it mapped out in their head pretty much, and it's impressive to see, like in person. Just stop by to say hello, wishing you well. Hey, what's up, NV Omega? Thank you, brother Fix. Crazy telling. Do you think that kind of ability? Yeah, I think it's mean as 2 points. 2 pits. Oh, that's mean. It's Oh, I idolise that, eh? It's a very impressive thing to do, I would say. But I'm all good with using a pencil. I don't mind. Hey, God, you said you were going, you naughty. Oh, thank you very much for the 5 gifted subs, brother. Points, okay, cool. Yeah, I know what a point is. Yo, thank you, the God of Spam, for 5 gifted subs, brother. Hello, Iron Bard. I see you with your Patrick emote there. They went to Baker Cat, Wasty Ones, Philibinikus, Shemaya, and Crazy Fusion. Oh, thank you, brother. My bad, kind of drops there. Thank you, brother, God of Spam. Appreciate that, my bro. And once again to Fix as well. Thank you very much for the bits. Those all go to that bitfest thing. Might as well leave the stream open while I update my mods. Oh, what are your mods for, brother? What are you playing? Because I asked my grandfather, my koro, I was like, how do you do it? He goes, you just whack it and it'll show up. He's like, oh, just whack it. Hal, thank you very much for subbing as well, brother. 1 AM here in the UK. I can't hang out, but this is the first chance I had to see you live since being shown your stream. Congrats on the 1 year partner. I wish I could do what you do. Just start, brother. That's what you have to do. As I love blacksmithing. Yo, that's cool. It's always been something impressive woodworking and carving. I'm off to bed. I'll try to catch the stream properly next time. Peace and love. Chur Whanau Forges, bro. They're cool, bro. That's mean as. Thank you for those kind words, my man. Play Stardew Valley, a fun little farming game where these mods, extra story content. Oh, yeah, yeah. Chur. I've been hearing a lot about the Stardew Valley. Cheers, DJ, and hello to Kevin, Stuka, Ivan. Jeez, there's a lot of cocaine of games. Yeah, I'll probably never play it myself, but okay. Thank you, Johannes for the sub as well, brother. Apologies for no background ambience, Fanta. We're just waiting for said speaker to charge. Man thought he charged it up, but obviously it wasn't enough. Or, I reckon I would have left it on. Yeah, that sounds like something else I would do too. Definitely. Okay. Just getting it as close as I can to the line, not too much, so just there we have enough timber, and then we can carry on. There we go. Okay, so that's that side done. So just redraw it pretty much, and you leave it there for next time. But we are not going to redraw it, because after we cut the other side, we'll round it. That's our next thing that we have to do for the head. So once we do the head, then we move on. So what we might do is focus on one side, and then from there we'll start making our way down. Woodworking yesterday and I got tired and spent another 20 minutes. And do you have any tips? Oh, just keep going. That's all. Oh, God of spam. I accidentally dropped my bits. Okay, dude. Let's see what you're doing. Yo, thank you very much, brother, for the biddies, my man. Appreciate that very much, brother. How often do you have to sharpen your chisels? It all depends on what kind of timber I'm using. Let's say this is quite soft, medium to soft. There's not really any need to sharpen the chisels all the time. So, vai noiho ki te aere tonu. So it's all good just to carry on. So what we're going to do now is, here's the arm. We're going to cut that out. And then we're going to drop the body in. So that's our next one. So we might change up our chisel to a 12. Hey, cheers, Starly. Cheer, my bro. Ah, fix. Oh, these bits are hard to hold on to, you know what? It's right. Oh. No bit wars, please. Let's not, eh? Yo, thank you for the 1500 bits fix. Yo, much appreciated, my bro. Oh, Hotaru, bro, it's all good, brother. Thank you very much for that, my bro. The thing with me, bro, it doesn't matter how big or small it is, it's the thought that counts, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Oh, God, here we go. Non-tech form, thank you very much for the 1500 bits as well. Okay, I see what's going on. It's a bit revolution. Oh, no. Thank you very much, Whanau. I don't really put goals up on the screen at all, but it's only because of bitfest. Did I hear Bitwar was starting up? Ah, the lanky Dutchman. Thank you very much for the 500 bits, and also Potato Bake Gunner with the 1. Thank you very much, brother. Chat making it rain hard. Now you need to. Okay, let me just cut this body out. Hey, what's up, Teo? Just curious, how long does it usually take for you to complete a project like this? It looks quite hard. Stu! Not really that long, eh? Like, I could probably finish this in maybe over 2 weeks, but it is going to take longer. Because I like having talks with chat. But it's all good. It's all good with me. I don't mind. This is actually going to be a gift for someone in the chat. They just don't know it yet. And I probably won't tell till I ask for the address. Just one more sub. Oh, thank you, brother. God. Yeah, bro. And also, Ken, thank you very much for the corgis. It's probably my favourite animation, the corgi. Wonder who makes Twitch's animations. Sleepy Night, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Have a Mickey day and have a blessed day, chat. Cheers, brother Starly. You have a good day too, my bro. 1 year of being the realest streamer on Twitch. Thank you, Sladex. Yo, much appreciated, brother. Hey, Slow Cooker. Talking a lot, but hey, it's alright. How are you, my bro? Thank you very much for the 13 months, brother. Kia ora, my man. Kia ora, my bro. Good to see you. And hello, brother Ninja. Hey, Broxh, I'm going to be slow chatting since I'm on my Xbox. Oh, I know your pain, brother. And that's a hello. I know your pain, brother. I know your pain. Do you live on an island? More inland. On an island, I would say. Yeah, I would say that. Yeah, man, I know those struggles there. Going for ages on the PlayStation pad, like trying to spell shit out, and it's pretty much 3 words. Nij. Hey, brother, yeah, the morning breeze is quite nice now. It was pretty cold before, but that's all good now. Here we go. So we're just digging depth. I may have to shrink this arm down because it's a bit chunky, because we're going to have to cut underneath all of this too, which is going to be quite the challenge. Quite the challenge. Bunky, thank you very much for subbing, brother. Welcome to the stream, my bro. If you have any questions about what I'm up to, or where Whakairo Maori woodcarving is from, feel free to ask. If you play Valorant as well, how is the new agent, my bro? Because I really want to play the new agent when I get the chance. I might be a bit of a smart ass and change the arm up on the other side just to give it a bit of a zest. Hey, what's up, Luke? Oh, jeez, got the sneezes today. King of the North. Brother Luke. Chur Zane. New agent is pretty fun. Yeah, he looks fun too, brother. Mr. Honey, thank you very much for 5 months, my bro. He's Mr. Honey. Ooh. Yeah, bro, he looks fun, eh? I like his ult cancelling kunais. Is that what he has? Oh, well, ability cancelling, I believe. Ooh. Felt that straight away, the resist, and obviously that was the wrong way. You guys can carry me in some games. Oh, it is the carry, my bro. My usual mouse was sent for replacement, so I'm barely able to play the games. Oh, hold on. Oh, fair enough. Have you got a bit of a double click as well, my bro? Dun, 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 dun. Man, and I seen Alex the Kid is on the PlayStation store as well. A revamped version, so I think that's going to be me. I'm pretty keen. Yeah, I need to shrink this arm because there's not enough space between the arse cheek and the arm for me to get my chisel in. There we go. Now there is. Boom. Thank you, Patricio Amigo, for the biddies, brother. Good morning from Brisbane, my bro. Choo, Sluggo, Bambino. I'm raising my coffee mug. Hey, much love, old man Ziggy. Good. Yep. Man, this carving's gonna have a bit of an ass on him. Hey, Fanta! Thank you very much for the 15 months, my bro. AG Alex the Kid in Miracle World, the Master System 2 was my jam. Eesh. Yo, much appreciated, Fanta, for the 15 months. God damn. I've been remembering the old days a lot lately. Thank you very much, my bro. And what's for lunch today? Thank you very much, the God of Spam, for gifting us up to Sergeant Whiskers. Yeah, I want to play Sea of Thieves as well, Ninja. My favourite Sea of Thieves streamer would have to be Rob Raven. Hands down. True God. Utilising the thug life one there. There you go. So I'll just cut that to a nice acceptable depth and then we'll start moulding the body. Hey, non-stop all the way from Norway, brother. Eesh. Hey Codex, much appreciated for the sub, my bro. I'm playing it right now. Oh, nice, Dewey. Do you have any other artists you admire apart from your granddad? Within Whakairo, I would say, bro, these heaps, bro. Most of the carvers I've come across. There's another master carver by the name of Lionel Grant. Man, he's on a whole nother level, eh? Because I went through a carving school here in Rotorua to upskill, like to learn new techniques and whatnot and get better. So I was already carving at the time, and yeah, just the amount of talented carvers you come across, eh? Whew! And past graduates as well. They are something else. Yeah, Hotaru, Lionel, that's him. He's OP AF. My nan lives near him. Your nan? What's your nan's name, my bro? Morena Henry. Pahi Carol. Yeah, man, there's just a lot, eh? Yeah, there's a lot of, like, even all our ancestors who carved, I idolise all of them too. Just said how good they were for their time. And their pieces are so timeless, and they're still some of the best pieces I've seen today. Even one of the master carvers, some of the master carvers I learnt under, other than my grandfather, was James Rickard and Clive Fugel. Yo, thanks Ashlow. Yeah, Lionel Grant's pretty much done the pinnacle of what any carver would want to do, and that's do a carver meeting house, and he has 3 under his belt. That's how buzzy it is. He's carved 3 meeting houses in total. And he went through obviously the same school I did. But yeah, it's just the level, eh? The leave. Oh, the skeleton key, mate. You either take that skeleton key back to oblivion or get some better jokes. Okay, yeah, let's drop the body in now. Rack, bro, just come and chill with us, bro. It's all good. You're more than welcome to chill here. And yeah, just chill with us, brother. Inako Mahaki. I think that's the name of the meeting house. In the Pautoko Manawa is the treaty. I haven't been to that meeting house personally. I hope to one day though. Like some other carvers I learnt under as well did the big carvings at Eden Park. Surely there's a few people in here that have been to Eden Park. My koro actually did one. And Mrs. Brox's father actually transported them up to Eden Park as well. How do I donate $1 million? Oh. By going to your bank account, asking your mum for her details, and sending it to her account. Or your dad. Oh damn, yeah, links get deleted, my bro, so Or untime you out if I'm fast enough. Here you go. Yeah, Demon Slayer's good. Looking forward to the game, even though it's exactly like Naruto. But hey, they haven't announced Gyomei as a playable character yet, but at least they announced Kyojiro. Oh, it's all good, my bro. Untimed GR anyway, my man. We'll need to cut in a bit more because this is way too much body. I don't know you like reggae. Do you have any rigs on looking to explore genre a bit? But I've got no clue. So LAB, I will always say them first because they're an NZ band that have given me permission to play their music, brother. Along with, bro, there's multiple reggae bands here. You have House of Shem, Catch a Fire, the Black Seeds, Fat Freddy's Drop, Sons of Zion. If you love that, if you get into that, I Love My Girlfriend reggae. What else? Bro, there's heaps. But I like our Sons of Zion's old songs. Bro, they're mean. Bro, there's so many, like Sheifu. I think this place just thrives on it, Chit. You're a teacher. Thank you very much for the bits, my bro. Oh, and also Cheerios for milk. Congrats on the 1 year. Thank you very much for that, brother. And also the corgis as well. Thank you very much, brother. Who else? There's an Aussie band, Sticky Fingers. They're cool. Shout out to all the Aussies in here. I believe, who else? Maori. He's cool. Bro, these heaps. Oh, that's all good. You're a teacher. Much appreciated, brother. Hey, what's up, Ruby Dub? Okay. Let me just try and attack this without getting in the way. I'll go and check our speaker real soon. Might have to upload this VOD to the YouTube. What does Bitfest mean? So it's just a little event that's happening for Twitch ANZ, Australia, New Zealand. So it's just like anyone that donates bits. There's like a little thing underneath the stream you can click to have a look at. I'm a part of it. I just jumped in to have a bit of fun, but I didn't know it was donating stuff. And there's like prizes if you hit certain goals, I believe. Let me get the photo. I think it's my phone. Yeah, I like Kyojiro as well. He's cool. I think I've got the photo somewhere. So this is the these are like the different tiers of stuff you could win. 5,000 will get you 1 month Discord Nitro limited edition Bitfest mug. Yeah, these are the goals that they gave us. I'm not trying to like push anyone to hit them, but yeah, they're there. The second one is an $80 voucher, Twitch slippers and a bathrobe set, and a Twitch duffel bag. Oh, that's a hard one. Have a robe or a bag. Twitch onesie is the third one. 1 year Discord Nitro and $100 voucher. What's that Nitro stuff? Is that their purple thing they chuck on Discord? Fourth goal is custom limited edition We Are Robots Twitch controller. For what though? Anything? Any console? A $500 voucher or a Nintendo Switch, and the last one is custom limited edition We Are Robot controllers with a $500 voucher. What's We Are Robots? Yeah, I'm like, clueless as. Lana Bomb, thank you very much for the biddies as well. And also Kyrie Bravo, thank you for the one as well, brother. I see you. Much appreciated, brother. Enjoy your day. Thanks, brother Henry. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that Demon Slayer game, eh? Oh, all good. Just if people wanted a better understanding of what it meant. All good. Yeah, but there's a whole lot of partnered streamers from Twitch ANZ doing it. Not just me. So if you might see your actual favourite streamer amongst all the names, and you go support them. All good, Dos. I would say go and have a good sleep too, brother. It's an Aussie controller company. Oh, right. Larger, more powerful. You get your server. Oh, okay. Oh. We Are Robots is a small business who specialize in... Oh, they do custom controllers. Wonder if they work with Rudism. Rudism in Mars is probably the controller god in our country. He beat Hades with a pomegranate. Alright. Yeah, I heard you. Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, thank you, Sonic Booming. All good, brother. That's very in style for Hades. Yeah, man, he beat the game with a pomegranate. He also played COD with a... I think it was a baguette. He made a controller out of a baguette. Bro, his he played Ocarina of Time with an Ocarina controller. It's pretty cool. Very witty too. I like his channel. Yeah. I was like, how many pomegranates did you go through? Then? Oh, quite a few. 'Cause I would assume he didn't use the same one. Gotta go, unfortunately, but these before I leave. Oh, all good, Bunky. Thank you very much for joining us, brother. Have a good day or night, and much appreciated, my bro. Okay, which way can we put this guy? Same way. So we'll keep heading at the body. Yeah. So he had his tea towel. He cut the pomegranate up into all his buttons that he needed, and yeah, man. He beat the game multiple times with a pomegranate controller, which I thought was cool. Let me just go and get the speaker. So moulding this, I feel like the body will have to come in about this far. Then the head will come in even more. Hold up, hey, bonfire! Thank you very much for the 300 bits. Happy 1 year. Ah, thank you. Oh, that's all good. Much appreciated, though. Is he the Aim Labs legend? What is Aim Labs? Sounds like a bot to make you shoot good on shooting games. Man, yeah, he's played so much games with a different controller. It's cool. It's really cool to see. Yeah, the Aim Labs legend. I don't know what's Aim Labs. Like, yeah, sorry, I'm really not in the know about what that is. It was pretty buzzy seeing Sidemen. Yeah. Knew about the me, or well, that clip, but one thing I thought of straight away was like, oh, come on now, KSI's seen my tales. Yo, Canned Heat, thank you very much for the 500 bits, brother. I'm having an argument about it. We all watching the stream. Who and who? You know it, little bunnies? Okay. Who's arguing? Thank you, brother Canned Heat, for the 500 bits. Who are you arguing with, brother? Tell us. Because I like being nosy when it comes to arguments. Yeah. Tell us. Well, how's the argument going, my bro? Aim Labs is training. No, the Varu, I think that's his name. I think he's arguing with his mates. Alting Gaming, thank you very much for the bits, brother. What a beautiful face. Thank you very much, Anonymous, for the 1 bit, brother. Aim Labs. Oh, I don't use Aim Labs, I just shoot and hope, if that's what it is. Yep, just shoot and hope, that's the tactic I use. Sure, Kyle. Oh, I need to get my beard done, eh? It's very rough at the moment. I woke up this morning and saw it, I was like, oh, Wilson! Pretty much. Hey, Fobster, thank you very much for the 10 months, my bro. Cheer, my bro. 10 months even. Keep up the mahi. Very much love from Wellies. Cheer, my brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Always, brother. Always will. Thank you very much, my man. What are we up to? Here. Hope Wellington's good too, my bro. Suave lo lofa. Hey, you watch Laughing Samoans. Suave lo lofa. We got a posture check from Chill Canadian. Righto. Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? Do you remember our greeting? That's it. How does... Do you remember our greeting? What does we say? Kia ora na Cook Island. I forgot the song, eh? That's how long I haven't watched Laughing Samoans for. Malo elele tonga. Yeah, it's been a while. Cheer, bro. How are you? Looking forward to Red Dead Redemption tonight, bro. Got a posture check. Okay. So I'll just realign my spine. Yo, Suave, Leolofa, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. That's a cool name, my bro. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. We're gonna have heaps and heaps and heaps and heaps and heaps of fun. Heaps of fun now. How's the bitfest going? Oh, you had a bit of a bit war this morning. I don't know if the progression thing is going up. Yeah, had a big, had a little miniature bit war going on. We're gonna have heaps and heaps and heaps and heaps and heaps of fun. Heaps of fun now. Sit back and learn now with the island team. Good morning, my name is Brian. Yeah, how's Pistilli doing, bro? Wow, he must be killing it, eh? Thank you very much, Suave, for gifting a sub to NZMB Good Vibes. Thank you, my bro. Okay, I'm going to make my second breakfast and cup of tea. Okay, remember, bro, when you dip in your biscuit, don't double dip if it's a super wine, otherwise it's confirmed break. I'm looking forward to cheat day. I was going to have it today, but I didn't get all the ingredients for the caramel cheesecake. Mrs. Broxh is making me a celebration cheesecake for hitting 1 year as a Twitch partner. See ya now, all good, Hotaru. How often do you sharpen your tools? Not very often, depending on the timber. At the moment, this one only double dip with the ginger nuts. Oh, fuck, can't eat those, eh? That's I hope that one dip is over a minute long, cause fuck. I used to call those cement biscuits when I was young. Thank you very much, Varel, for the 500 bits, brother. Bro, share the cheesecake. Much appreciated, my bro. I think he's doing good. Yeah, because he doesn't have his progression bar up, eh? Man, he must be killing it. Pistilli. I am looking for my 8. Hello, Spicy. What you up to today, my bro? Just working from home today. I don't know if you've seen it, but yeah, had a little feature on Sidemen's YouTube channel. Are you happy with the amount of love that you're spreading around the world? Oh, just as long as people are happy. Said had a good time for a long time, man. Waiting for my class to start. Oh, that's good. As long as you go to your class when it starts, my bro. Yeah, I'm all good, brother. So, moulding, brother. I have not done a Teko Teko in a very long time. That's what this figure that I'm carving now. So it's slowly coming back to me. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've done a piece like this. My family disowns me for not drinking tea. Oh. Yeah, I became aware of it from a viewer. I was like, hey, like KSI and them. Sent me, nah, can't be. Sent me the timestamp and everything, and I was like, oh, Reds. My washing. What's up, Manifeo? What's up, my brother? Thank you very much, a King Cab, for the 20 bits, brother. Thank you very much, bro. And Fifi is love. Fifi is love. Thank you for the 10 months. God damn. Appreciate that love so much, Whanau. Thank you very much. Okay, how's our stomach looking? It almost looks bigger than mine. Okay. You still play well? Yeah, Runty. I still play, brother. Been playing a lot of TBC. Well, trying to get the TBC content, but yeah. I might have to look into playing retail again. I feel like maining a different class now. For once, I've mained Warrior since Legion. I'll still play my Warrior, but yeah. And I'm having trouble deciding what's alt in TBC now that it won't be Shaman, because the guild I'm with, man, there's like well over 15 Shamans in there. So wasted my boost. Yo, Blizzard, keen to undo that boost so I can use it again. Nah. That'll cause a lot of drama. Stern Burger. Oh, Burger sounds good right about now. Thank you very much for subbing, brother. I got my 5G update and my signal sucks. That's good to hear, brother Ninja. I'm thinking of alting a Pally on TBC. From Isfan's influence. Really enjoy watching his TBC content. He's probably my favourite streamer to watch for TBC. What kind of music should I listen to truly relax? Mating Hippos, narrated by David Edinburgh. It's gonna be very good. Yo, Anonymous, thank you very much for the 400 bits. God damn, tell me your real name so we can acknowledge you properly. Thank you very much, Anonymous. I think Murder sounds like he. Damn girl, you. He's like a hippo filter on Instagram. And I was doing exactly that scene. The name's so nice you could say it twice. I think Moto Moto likes you. Yeah, this arm can go way out. Come way out. Bro, I'm already over the Reggie Gigas raids, eh? Malaysian chicken curry and spam stir fried rice. Ooh. That sounds mean. I need more thigh, so I've got to cut in some more. Very good, very good. I love Fanta's food gram posts. Hey, what's up, Acrylic Squire? Thank you very much, my brother, for those kind words. Did you ever have a bad fan experience? Not really. Like, I met one guy, but he was like, he would talk and then he'd stop for ages and just look around. Didn't know how to like approach him, but yeah, we ended up having a good chat. It was all good. Give me some more side leg. I need to try the new Mondo as well. Nice little fat stomach. Looks good. I will never. Oh. Hope the winter weather is treating you well. Oh, it is today, brother. It'll start getting much worse as we go along, but hey, you got to carry on. Go. I would never wish. Yeah, I'll borrow Jay. I hope I can meet as much people as I can who watch the stream. That's probably one of my main goals. It's meeting everyone who supports me and joins in all the time and put like name to the face. That's the main thing for me, brother. Oh, what can I do? Yeah, just trying to get our body shaped out and then we'll be good. Oh no, where's this damn pencil? There it is. One of my mods, I've known him for ages. Like, he's probably him. Met Thunder, Maya, and their kids. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, go on now, you do. I'm from the Middle East. Hey, Dice. So playing for this carving at the moment, we're in the moulding process of the Teko Teko. Now, a Teko Teko is a three-dimensional carving that you see. Usually it's a standalone piece, but obviously we've got a bit of a backboard on it that I'm planning to design and put something on as well. Yeah. Teko Teko, T-E-K-O, T-E-K-O. The name's so nice you could say it twice. Hello, Lobo and streamers. Te aroha, thank you very much for the 5 months. Tēnā koe. Fembat, thank you very much for the 100 bits, brother. Bits from Texas, happy vibes to you in the chat. Thank you very much, my brother. Hey, waiting for Bay. Yeah, brother, that's me. J Tesseract, thank you very much for the raid. Hey, much appreciated. Welcome to you in the stream. Oh, the thunder's here. Oh, secret squirrel. Thank you very much for the raid. Welcome through. Hope you had a good stream. Okay. Welcome to the stream. Welcome everyone. My name's Broxh and we are currently carving a Teko Teko, which is a three-dimensional figure. Put a hint of Broxh in it, I would say. But we're in the moulding process at the moment, so I'm currently just doing one side at the moment. I just gotta move it up a little bit. Body. Against the grain, Andy. Keep the cut of the body there. Go. I think we had to be friends now, right? We have to be friends. Yeah, all good. Damn, the shine from the chisel was blinding. one particular chisel I need is a small round, and it's one of my chisels that got stolen a long time ago. This is probably the smallest one I have. I enjoy Demon Slayer on a 10. Solid 10. Oh, I hear my daughter crying. I better go check, see if Mrs. Broxh is all good soon. Twitch better be sending you branded carving tools. Bro, imagine that, eh? Whoo! I didn't think of it. Damn! Imagine that. I'd be bloody grateful, eh? That would be a bloody, I'd be bloody grateful, eh? That would be a bloody treat. Okay. No, just resharpen them. Like, there's really no need to replace the tool unless it's the steel was split in half, really. And I've seen it happen before, like I've seen a chisel split in half, but other than that, nah, these should last me all my life. If looked after, I should say. But I always look after my tools. Is that the puku you're carving? Yep, McRibbons. How long does a project usually take? It can take up to like 2 weeks, but it all depends now for me, because doing it on Twitch, I like talking to the chat, so it does take a little bit longer, but it's alright. It's alright. Oh, good, Ninja. Have a good day, brother. Shot for tuning in. Yeah, pretty much, Whakairo. So your chisels will last you at least a good 20 meeting houses. That's how long they can last for. Good, the knot's right on the stomach, so it won't be much of a hassle. Yo, Boyders! Thank you for the 1,000 bits, brother! Holy cow! Yo, much appreciated, my bro! Thank you, brother! Holy shit! Good times, eh, Fanta? Good times. Thank you very much, Boyders. I don't know if... I feel like that's not my child crying anymore because she's louder than that. But I should go check just in case. One moment. She's eating. She gets quite demanding when she's eating, the little egg. Oop. Okay. Cheers, mixed thing. Hope you're doing well too, brother. Cheers, brother. Aussie, Assassin Ra. Oh, my bad. Okay, I think we've gotten enough leg. Just whack it. Cool. Yep. Okay, back to mahi. Cheer, Fanta. Have a good day. What you do for me? Can I order carving from you? My carving list is full at the moment, brother. I'm almost completed it. I usually announce when I take on another set of commissions. Pretty much, my bro. Any Twitch names they make you couple? Oh, chuckle, bro. There's heaps, eh? Stroking me cork's probably one. What's another one? Thick anime thighs save lives. What's another one? Misunderstood poo. Today's one would have to be Suave Lil Lofa. And bro, there's been so many. I think it was the happiest hippo in the river. There was another one. There's been so many, eh? There's been so many, man. Oh, far out. There's been so many, man. Some clever names out there, I must say. Oh, yeah, sexually active gorilla. That's another one. Thank you very much, Fano. Sexually active gorilla. Okay, I'm gonna have a little mate jump on, come on stream with me soon, finally. So when my daughter jumps on stream, we'll take a break for a little bit while Mrs. Broxh makes her a bottle. Yo, Ape, Upper Hades, thank you very much for the 3 months, my bro. Kia ora, hope she's been a goodie, my G. Chew, my bro. Yeah, it's been good, brother. All good, my bro. Just, trucking along, my bro. Trucking along. Much appreciated for the 3, my bro. And Melody Dreamer, thank you very much for the sub as well. Alright. Break time for now. You can keep talking to me. I'm gonna leave the camera down though. Chew. Have you been at Ege? Could hear you yelling for your food. Yeah, Gavaskona. Yeah, 1 year as a Twitch partner, my bro. Definitely time flies. Jeez, you've been eating a lot too. You alright? Okay, hi everybody. Okay, hello. Hello. How long have you been carving for? Since I was 12, assassin. I'm 29 now for the next few months before I level up. How was your Father's Day? Have you celebrated? We celebrate Father's Day here in September. Oh look, they're putting sub babies in the chat. You're not a sub baby there, you're just a chubby baby. Hey. Don't you want to talk? You had a lot to say inside. Ne. Te kōrero koe I roto I te whare. Ia hai noia nei. Look at everyone talking. I can't carve because of you. Thanks. Yo, thank you for the 50 bits anonymous. Much appreciated, brother. Or sis. Yeah, just waiting for Mrs. Broxh and it'll be good. What are you doing? Oh, just holding my daughter. Just waiting for her bottom. Now we're dancing. Hey. Kōrero mai, Pepe. Hea te mate. Hea tira. Hea tira. Oh, no, don't touch that. You just backhand the camera. Alright, should we go and see if Mum's finished it? Shouldn't take that long to do a bottle. I'll say bye bye. Kakite. Kakite, everybody. Bye bye. Take you inside. And on check. Okay, carrying on. Guess what's happened, chat? The kids have run out of wipes. So I might have to go and get some soon. Here we go. Oh no, is right. Yeah, I'll go for a little bit longer Fanta in there. Oh, I have to go to the supermarket. Don't want to be taking a deluxe cruise down Schitt's Creek. I hasn't been in the backyard like the whole days. I remember that happened to my cousin, because my koro, my grandfather, he got so annoyed, He's like, come outside. And I was going, what are you doing, koro? What are you doing to so-and-so? And he goes, here, I'll show you. And he goes, stand over there. And he got the big hose too, the powerful one. I was like, oh, what a sad goal. Bro, it's, she's getting really clingy, and because it's getting colder now. But it's all good though. Damn, I was planning to upload this to YouTube today, not anymore now, because I have to finish soon. I've been getting cut off early because of them. It's all good though. I've got to take Mrs. Broxh to see her grandmother today. Should be good. It's their anniversary. Where do you live? Aotearoa, New Zealand, mate. Yeah, Hotaru. I was gonna upload today's one as a try and get it done as a time lapse, but because I haven't done enough progress on it, I probably won't. So this is the leg and bum, and yep, get the rest. So we're just cutting out some space at the back, so we'll be good. Yeah, we'll try and smash some more tomorrow, because my big girl is still sick, but she'll be back at school tomorrow because she's feeling a whole lot better. And it is cheat day tomorrow, so I can indulge. I don't know, yeah, no, I'm not really feeling takeaways for this cheat day. I actually want a homemade steak and cheese pie. I don't know, I've been really wanting a steak and cheese pie, a homemade one lately. And Mrs. Broxh was like, I got you. Yeah, I'm dieting. Yeah, she made one last time, bro. Wow, it was mean, eh? So I was like, wow, can I have that again? She's like, you liked it, Timmy. No, I didn't like it. I fucking loved it. So yeah, oh yeah, all good. I'll make that for cheat day. I was like, cool, can I have one whole half to myself? See, you got kids that eat just as much as you do. Nah, it was worth a try. Yeah, it was worth a try, Chet. It was worth a try. Okay, where's my 8? Yeah, gotta love them homemade pies, my bro. They are too on. Ooh. Ooh, okay. So I creep, yeah. There you go. Alright, didn't get as much progress as I wanted to today because I wanted to go for a long time today. Thank you very much, Saturn's Bass, for the bits, brother. Sorry, my man. Get us a bit more shoulder too, because we'll be moulding that shoulder. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've done a Teko Teko. A long time. Kia ora from California. Hey, brother. Hey, Sloppy. What are you making? Teko Teko, brother, which is a 3-dimensional figure that we do in Whakairo, which is traditional Maori woodcarving. Just mold, give a light mold to the shoulder. Sending love from San Francisco, California. Yo, thank you very much, brother, and appreciate the bits as well, brother. It's been a while. Hey, Mr. Potato. I'm doing good, brother. Doing all good. Welcome back, my man. Good to see you once again. 2017, I still daydream about it ever since. Oh, true, Sloppy. Oh, that's mean. Have you carved Hawaiian tiki faces? No, brother, because I'm not Kanaka Maori. I haven't done them, brother. Hold it like a pen. There we go. Hey, chew my bro. Chew, brother Rix, for the 4 months, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Happy Gilmore himself. You do this every day? Pretty much. On and off stream, my man. On and off. What's the time? Okay. Does your back hurt being over like that? Not really, because I walk around with a proper posture all the time, and yeah, it's good to take breaks, eh? Roll out after a big carving session. I've always rolled out pretty much. Stretch it out. Okay, so now I don't really want to touch the shoulder anymore, so I'll leave it there. Yeah, I'll just walk around with good posture. Hey, what's up, AD? Much love, my bro. Amongst that, the armpit area. Open it up a bit more. There we go. Oh God. Well, looks like I have to go and get wipes now. God damn. Okay. Let me just do this and that's me. Alright, Fanta. Well, looks like I'm gonna... Ah, man, I don't really want to finish early again. Lily Wanger, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yeah, she knows how to go to the toilet, so it's all good. But yeah, I'll probably have to get wipes now, just in case. Just in case. yeah, we got a bit done today. I wanted to do more, to be honest, but kids. Let's see who's on. Let's see who's on. Yeah, that's gonna be us for today, Fanta. Sorry, we couldn't go longer again today. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be us for today, Whānau. Just trying to figure out who to read. So, oh, someone's playing Teamfight Tactics Apex. Who watches the anime Soul Eater? Silent Potato God, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Along with Considix, thank you very much, brother, for the bits. Just seeing who's on. Oh, Panda's awake. Okay, I'm gonna send you to someone new. Okay, let me just type your name up. Thank you for the 3 months, Silent Potato. Alright, Whānau. Well, with that being said, yeah, I'm finishing stream here. Unfortunately, yeah. Call of Poo D. Yeah, I gotta go and sort my kids out. And yeah, I've got a few things to do today too for Mrs. Broxh. Her grandmother's anniversary is today, and she passed away 6 years ago. So we're gonna go and visit her with the kids, and yeah, so I'll be around later. I might stream later tonight, I don't know. I feel like I haven't been going long enough this week, and yeah, enjoy and go and share some love to Tomo. He's someone that watches the stream and enjoys what I do, so yeah, go and share the love to him. Gotta drink the bull to pick up the bull, dude, and I'll see you later. I'm taking the chat just to keep an eye on you, eh? So have a good one, and choo-choo.